There's a new way to steer clear of trouble on the roads. Macomb County is going digital to keep drivers in the know when it comes to construction. Today, Macomb County Executive Mark Hackle launched a new interactive system. And it shows drivers current road conditions and the estimated cost of road projects. But as Nick Monticelli reports, the reason behind the tool is to highlight how underfunded road improvements really are.
County Executive Mark Hackle was on the campus of Macomb Community College talking about this new interactive tool, and it is pretty neat. But as you heard, there essentially is an entirely different motivation for it. It's so you can see how much he says the roads would cost to fix and why he says Lansing is failing us. Macomb County crews were putting more Band-Aids on today to make our roads temporarily tolerable. And you can find those road conditions on this new Macomb County interactive map, showing in red which roads are in poor condition and how much it will cost to fix them. That's essentially the purpose of this map, for County Executive Mark Hackle to send a message that he needs about $1 billion to fix all of this properly. He says it is so bad, some roads, even bridges, could be closed.
They need to be concerned, and again, at any point in time that could be a problem. So we're monitoring constantly. We have our road folks out there, engineers, that are making a determination as to, okay, do we need to close this particular road? Do we need to close this particular bridge?
The only other thing we can do is start to bring all these roads back to gravel.
Hackle blames the Michigan legislature for not coming up with the funds to fix these roads.
Does the legislature have the appetite to come up with new money to solve this unbelievable crisis?
One option is to raise taxes, but one lawmaker says not at the state level.
Proposal 1 failed, so people clearly were not excited about the idea of paying additionally, have it going through the state system. I agree, the state system is broken, and people voted no. If the question is if people want to make a greater investment, then maybe some of that needs to be on a local level investment so they know that money is actually staying on the roads in their community.
And some of those local communities see that too. If there is not going to be new money, they might have to jump in.
If it gets to that point, we're going to have to come up with some kind of method to line up the funds, whether it's Shelby Township, City of Warren, City of Sterling Heights, Clinton Township. You're going to have to come up with some method to fix the road because it's an issue and it's going to continue to get worse.
At Macomb Community College, Nick Monticelli, Local 4.
Right, Nick, and the tracking tool is live right now on the county's website.